This video demonstrates how to manage layers. Using the CoProcess software's Layer Manager, click the Layer button in the Layers section of the Vector ribbon to open the Layer Manager dialog. Here, you can view and manage layer properties such as name, status current or not, and others. 1. Create a new layer. Click New Layer to add a new layer to the bottom of the list. 2. Set a layer as current. Select a layer from the list and click Set as Current. The selected layer will become the active layer, indicated by a checkmark. 3. Rename a layer. Right-click the desired layer and select Rename from the context menu. The layer name will become editable for you to type in a new one. For .change layer color, click the color block for the respective layer. A color picker dialog will appear for you to select the desired color.